After hand washing, I will prepare the sterile gloves and place it on the cleaning surface. Open the sterile glove bag. Using a non-dominant hand, grab the inside of the first. Slip it on the dominant hand, taking care not to touch the outside of the glove. Slip fingers of the sterile gloved hand into the folded cuff of the end gloves, touching outside only. Lift it up and slip it into the other hand. Reach under the cuff parts with gloved hands to pull up or adjust. After that, this is a sterile na. How the proper removal of gloves. Grasp the outside of one glove at the wrist without touching your skin. Peel the glove away from your hand, turning it inside out. Hold the removed glove in the gloved hand. Slide fingers of the ungloved hand under the wrist of the remaining glove. And peel off the second glove over the first glove, turning it inside out. The last one is dispose gloves properly in the appropriate ways. Continue.